Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to hide live video from someone on Instagram. If you are streaming live on Instagram, if you do, and if you want to hide your live streaming from someone or particular peoples, so you can do this easily. I will show you how. So guys, let's start with the video. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here I'm on my Android screen. Now let me open my Instagram application. So there is a two way you can hide your live stream from someone. So first way, you can restrict the person. Just go to your profile and just go to the followers, and you can search person. You have to find this person, or you can directly search from this search bar. Okay, you can search from here also your you know person. So I just search this person. So if you want to hide your stories, sorry, live stories or live stream from this person, you can just restrict them. So just click three dot option here and just restrict this person. So after restriction, he will not able to see your live live stream or your stories and posts. So just click on the restrict and it will be restricted. So if you want to restrict person more than once, so there is a one setting. Go to the your profile photo again, go to the three dot option, go to the setting, and here you have to go in secure privacy. Scroll down and here is the restrict account, and here you have to search the person which uh, person who want to restrict. Okay, just select the search the name and just click on restrict. The persons will be restricted. Okay, and these peoples will be see here. So another way, this is very simple way. Okay, so if you want to hide your live stream from others, just click on three line option. This is a very useful. If you like this, please subscribe me. Thank you, and like my video. Go to the settings, and now you have to go in security. Sorry, go to the privacy again. In privacy, you will have to find the stories. In stories, here you can see you can hide story from. So here you can see the. So guys, here you can see the normal one liner note that hide your story and live videos. Okay, so this will be also hide your stories and live videos from specific people. So you have to select person from here. So you can see I have select two persons, one person here. So just click on it, and from here you can select person. Okay, so you can search name from here and just select peoples and just come back. So I have select four-person. I will come back, and this four-person has been selected, and this person will be not able to see my stories and live videos. Okay, so just come back again. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.